See lots of water though. Sit at your bum.
I have just gotten off the train in Edinburgh. My god, that train ride was wild. There's a lady having a go at people about taking people's seats and elderly people. No idea, honestly. I had my headphones in. And then behind me, you would have seen in the videos, just babies screaming for like the past like maybe 2.5 hours. Oh, but it's pretty around here. Let me show you. I just got the most expensive fish and chips, but it was gluten-free. It was really yum, but I am way too full now. So I'm gonna go for just a wander around for a while and we'll see where we end up. I've just been standing here. Check out this view. It is stunning. I was standing there and this old Scottish guy comes up to me. He's wearing like the Scottish like looking like outfit as well. And he was like, oh, are you from England? I said, no, I'm from Australia. And we started chatting and then he was telling me to go down to these other gardens that are down here. I turned around to see where he gone. I was like, oh, nice to like meet you, blah, blah. I'm gonna keep walking now. And he was like, oh, such a lovely interaction, thank you. He's like some old guy and I was like, oh my god. And I went to turn around just to like see where he'd gone and he's like gone. So I'm like, did I just imagine that interaction or is he like super quick on his feet? I don't know. But this view is unreal, seriously. Bought some shampoo and conditioner, which I really needed, but I'm also going to walk back into Primark and buy some new thongs as I need some new like flip-flops to wear into like a shared shower, because last time I wore my Birks and it literally ruined my Birks, so I need some flip-flops, whatever you want to call it.
Ex-chick's called my ex-girlfriend because it goes behind my back.
I get it.
My ex-girlfriend. Yeah. For me!
So I've just been walking around all day and now I'm doing some washing and now I really need to wash my hair. I have been asked by some people that are staying in the same room as me if I want to go on a pub crawl, but I think they've got the times wrong and I think it's already started because it's like 8:30 right now, but we'll see. I'm also so tired from my run yesterday, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow instead. So it's currently like 10 p.m. and I've checked in to my hostel. I'm now just waiting for my clothes to dry. So I've just gone to Tesco's and bought some apples for my breakfast and snacks for tomorrow. And as you can see, it's still light-ish outside. So I've just been walking around. I'm gonna head back now, put my clothes in the dryer and then go to bed. Happy Tuesday.
Lift going down.
I'm truly the only idiot to be in a singlet right now. It's freezing, so I'm walking back to my hostel to grab my jumper. Hopefully it's not still wet.
The total of each symbol.
I have finished my free walking tour, which was really good. We had Glenn as our tour guide and he was great. I then went to Sainsbury's and I just got a meal deal for lunch. Went back to the hostel, ate it at the hostel. Then I've put on some tights and I'm gonna walk to Arthur's Seat, which I think is about 45 minutes from where I am right now. It is like starting to rain, so let's cross our fingers that it doesn't start to pour down when I'm hiking. People saying it's really steep, so hiking up there. Let's see what it's like though. It is so pretty walking up here. Steeper than I thought, but still really pretty. They do not make it easy coming up here. I wasn't expecting this. I made it to the top. It is so pretty up here. Like, I've had to put my hair up because it's so windy, but it's stunning. You can literally see everything. Like, I don't want to go down. It's so nice up here. You could easily just sit up here for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. It's so pretty, but it is tough getting up and down. Like, there's not an easy path. I don't want to go back down. I want to chill up here. But down we go. I'm now walking up Colton Hill and I just saw a fox. What the hell? I didn't know there were foxes just hanging around. Hell no. Still cool though. It didn't touch me, so it's clearly used to people, I guess. I have been walking the streets for hours, but I'm now walking to where we actually stayed in 2019. I honestly don't remember these streets very much from then, but I know the area of where we were last time. So I'm going to walk there, just check it out, and then I think I'm going to head back and figure out what I want to do for the rest of the afternoon. I've walked many steps today, so we'll just see. I did not remember it being this far from like the city centre. But I see it. Oh, there's like more now. I swear when we were here, there's like only one boat, but now there's multiple. I remember this area clearly. I just do not remember it being that far. This is where I stayed last time, right here. So I have just left this cafe, Black Sheep Cafe or Coffee, that's what they're called, and I've just been sitting there and writing in my journal for like an hour, but I've just come outside and it's now raining. No. But luckily, guess what, I actually bought an umbrella yesterday. It's only a tiny one, but it's better than nothing, which I have had nothing for ages. So I'm now thinking I might actually go get breakfast somewhere. I know it's just at a cafe, but I really feel like an omelette. I was just walking back to the hostel and I walked past this place and it had gluten-free cannoli, which I've never tried before. So when I get back, we're going to try it. Or maybe I should try it now, but it's kind of hard with my umbrella and everything. I got salted caramel flavour. Ooh. Okay, we're going to try it. I've got Dire Straits blasting in my ears, but I'm going to try it right now. Sorry for this terrible angle, but this is all we can deal with right now. That is so good. I'm now heading back out and heading towards the castle. I'm now headed back out and I'm thinking of heading towards the castle as I haven't actually been to the front of it yet. So I'm just going to walk up there and see how close to it I can get. I made it up to the castle, but they've got this big arena at the moment, so you can't even see the entrance of the castle, which you usually can see, but it's also sold out for today. I also don't really want to go inside, I just want to see the front, but next time. Now I've got to sort out where I want to go to next. I feel like walking somewhere, so I know that there's a fully gluten-free cafe maybe half an hour walk away, so maybe we'll walk there and then maybe walk along the canal. I don't know, we'll see. I have no idea where I am right now. I'm like so out of town, like so out of town. All for a gluten-free cafe. We'll see what it's like when I get there, I guess. Plus it's good to walk. I like a good walk. And then it gives me time to think about where I want to go to next. As many of you know, I don't really like sweet foods that much. But I just ate a cookie from that bakery. Oof. I need to go for a run like ASAP. And I need a water right now. It was so sweet, but it was so yum, but I would not get it again because it was too sweet for me. But if you love a little sweet treat, then I would highly recommend. But oh my god, I need to go for a run. I've just been to a really pretty little lookout area for the castle, which you would have seen, and now I'm looking to Victoria Street, which is probably one of the most Instagrammed street of Edinburgh, I would say. It's the one that's got like all the colours and I think maybe Harry Potter vibes, I don't know, but we'll go find out. It's only just up the road a little bit. Let's go and explore. I've only seen the first two or read the first two Harry Potter books, so like being in Edinburgh, I'm not like, oh my god, Harry Potter, but I'll try and show you stuff if you are into that. I can't guarantee anything special. This is the street. I love all the little alleyways that you can go down. Apparently there used to be hundreds and hundreds of them, but now there's only 75 or something like that, but it's still really cool. Oh, it smells. I am now at the Portrait Museum in Edinburgh. I've just been to the Portrait Museum, which was really cool actually. It was really nice in there. I'm now heading to, I think, a shopping centre because I'm going to buy a long sleeve t-shirt to take with me to Silverstone for the F1 tomorrow because I may be camping and it gets really cold at night. So that's my plan. I'm also hoping, it does say that the rain is meant to stop later. So I think if it stops, I will go for a run. So that's my plan. It's cold though. So the sun has finally come out in Edinburgh and I'm walking towards hopefully where a run club is beginning at 6:30. It's currently 6:15, so we'll see how it goes. So the run is like 3 miles, which is like nearly 5 kilometers, I think. So we'll see how we go, especially after all the sugary food and stuff that I've eaten today. But I'm also really tired, so I'm hoping that it's just a social chill run, but we'll soon find out. No.
So this is an old church. That thing.
I've just been and had a really good Indian for dinner actually. I really wanted Vietnamese food, but when I got there they're like, oh no, we're shut, and I was like, oh. So then I ended up at an Indian, but it was really yum, really yum. And then I just went into Tesco's because I thought maybe I'll have a little chocolate. And then these two guys, like I saw the security like running around. These two people stole so much stuff and just like ran away. I feel like where I am right now like slowly goes into maybe like a rougher area just by observation. But I'm walking back now. I think it's like nearly 10:30 or 10:15, I would say. Heading back to my hostel now. You have no idea how grateful I am that I'm on this side of the road and not on the other side, because someone has fully ran over a seagull. Oh, I feel sick, mate. I actually feel like I didn't really like see it properly, but I did, you know what I mean? Ooh. I am now on the train leaving Edinburgh and I'm heading to Silverstone for the Formula 1 Grand Prix, so that will be my next video, so stay tuned for that. I am whispering slightly because people are asleep around me because my train was delayed by an hour. But yeah, that is the end of my Edinburgh UK part 2 vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next vlog as there is more travel to come. I'm so excited, but that's it. Bye!